Good evening everyone. I'm Durgesh Brahma from Ultimate Class Ashna. Today is another video. Today I will tell you that how to speak English with the help of zero level. First you have to do first thing you have to go the root of English. What's the mean of that verbs? You have to learn the verbs daily. Maybe if you read 10 verbs daily, then you can enhance your knowledge, you can utilize your work, and you can speak English. And if you learn 600 meanings 1 month and 2 3 months, definitely you can learn many things, because with the help of verbs we can speak English easily. If you don't know verb, search Google and Insta. Insta, you can go Insta and you search whatever meaning comes, you can learn. And newspaper also whatever book you are reading, with the help of book also you can read whatever you want to know about it. Because in this era, and according to me, English is very important, because with the help of English you can go anywhere and you can talk to people, you can communicate people. Suppose someone is calling to you, come on the stage, speak about yourself. Then how will you speak? If you know English, then you can speak. If you don't know, you will not be able to speak, because it is a necessary for us to learn English, because it is a big deal to learn English. If you don't know English, nobody will respect you, nobody will talk to you. They will make you fool, they will make you noise, they will do any activity with you, then you will not be able to bear it. And then you will join any coaching, then it will benefit for you, and coming at time you will become a good speaker. You can talk to easily to person. Suppose you are going anywhere, you are talking to someone in English, and that you will feel good. And suppose you are talking in Hindi, they are saying to you, you are speaking what we can say the Malvi language, then they will not respect you whatever. So I think you must learn English, you must enhance your knowledge, you must talk to people, because it's a necessary to learn English. If you are a person of words, so you must follow it, because also I learned English. Also I'm a learner. Going to learn English. I'm talking in English daily. Also I'm enhancing my knowledge. I try to learn some new meanings daily. So I want to suggest to you that learn 10 verbs daily and try to speak in English in front of mirror. Whatever you want to do, you can do. Online you can learn English, offline you can learn English. It's depend on you, it's up to you. Don't waste your time, save your time. That's all. Thank you very much. I'm Durgesh Bhatt from Ultimate Class Master.